Now, there are a number of ways to enable monitor mode, and my favorite one is using iwconfig. But I know that method does not work for all adapters, and I know the method that I'm gonna show right now does not work for all adapters either. So, if you tried enabling monitor mode using iwconfig and it failed, or if it worked but then the adapter did not behave as expected when using it in monitor mode, then a good idea is to try to enable monitor mode using a different method. Now, as you can see, I have LAN 0 right here, which is my wireless adapter, and it is in managed mode right now. So the first thing that we'll do is disable this interface by doing ifconfig LAN 0 down. Now you can go ahead and enable monitor mode, but before doing that, I like to kill any process that can interfere with using the adapter in monitor mode. To do that, we're going to use a program called Airmon-ng, and we're gonna say I want you to check all the processes that can interfere with monitor mode, and if you find anything, I want you to kill it. So a very simple command. Airmon-ng is the name of the program. Check to check any processes that could interfere with monitor mode, and kill to kill these processes if any. Now if I hit enter, you'll see it'll actually kill a few processes, and you'll notice that the network manager icon disappears. This is because this command right here kills it, and you guessed it, you will lose your internet connection if you were connected. But that's fine, because you'll lose your internet connection anyway if you enable monitor mode. But doing this really makes the adapter work better in monitor mode. Now we're ready to enable monitor mode, and instead of iwconfig, I'm gonna use Airmon-ng again, and I'm gonna say I want to start LAN 0. So basically, Airmon-ng is the name of the program that we're using to enable monitor mode. We're saying I want to start monitor mode on an interface called LAN 0. So you want to replace LAN 0 with the name of your wireless interface. Now I'm gonna hit enter, and as you can see, now we get a message telling us that monitor mode is enabled on LAN 0 mon. So now if I do iwconfig, you will see that LAN 0 disappeared, so I no longer have an interface called LAN 0, and instead I have a new interface called LAN 0 mon. And if you look at the mode of this interface, you'll see that it's in monitor mode. So now whenever you want to use a program that requires monitor mode, make sure that you set the interface to LAN 0 mon. Now if you tried enabling monitor mode using iwconfig and that didn't work, and then you tried this method and it didn't work either, then chances are your adapter does not support monitor mode, because not all adapters support monitor mode. So, I actually have a video talking about wireless adapters, which ones I recommend and use whenever I'm testing the security of networks. I'm gonna include this video in the resources, so if you're not sure about which adapter to get or which ones are the best, then check out that video. You'll find it very useful.